All right, hello everyone. Today we're going to be solving Leet code 283, moving zeros. Given an integer array nums, move all zeros to the end while maintaining the relative order of all the non-zero elements. You must do this in place without making a copy of the array. So this makes it a bit harder because we can't just make two arrays and then concat them, so we have to sort them in place. And the way to do this would be to use a two-pointer solution. So what we're going to do is have a left pointer and a right pointer, and they're both going to start at 0. And the right pointer is going to traverse the list until we find a non-zero element, and we're going to replace it with the left pointer and increment it up. And if that doesn't make sense, it's totally fine. I'm going to show you an example walkthrough, and hopefully it will elucidate the problem. So left is going to 0, and right's going to continue to move up until it finds a non-zero number. So 1 is 0, so it's going to move up to right here at the 1 index. We're going to swap them, so now the array would look something like this. 1, 0, 0, 3, 12. We're going to move left up now. And right is still here. But right is going to keep incrementing until it finds a non-zero number. So it's going to keep going until it finds the 3. We're going to swap them again. So it's going to be 1, 3, 0, 0, 12. We're going to move L up. So L would now be at the 3. Right is still here. This is a 0, so it's going to move up again in our for loop. And it's going to reach the 12. We're going to swap them again because that is a non-zero number. So it's going to be 1, 3, 12, 0, 0. And just for completion's sake, we're going to run through what it would do at the end. Since L is going to move up to this position here, and right is at the end of the array. It's going to go up again, but that's actually out of bounds. So this will actually end our for loop. And this is a one-pass solution, so O of n time, and O of 1 space because we're not creating any new elements. So hopefully that makes sense, and I'm going to show you guys how to write this up really quickly. So first we want to initialize our left pointer, so let L equal 0. And we're going to run through the array with our right pointer. So we're going to use the right pointer to just be the for loop counter. So let R equals 0 while R is less than nums dot length R++. And then we're going to say if nums at the R position is not 0, so it's a non-zero integer, we want to replace it with left. So we're going to say swap in place. If you don't know how to do that in JavaScript, you just create an array, say nums of L, comma, nums R equals, and you write the same thing on the other end of the equation. So R in the front though, and left in the end. So this will swap their two positions. And remember, we already figured out that that position now holds a non-zero number. So we want to move L up, so L++. And at the end, we want to return nums. And let's see, does this work? Judging. And there we go. We've solved Leet code 283, moving zeros. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.